our new bird, Buddy. We just caught him. He's a baby.
Get him away from my face.
Yeah, our camera girl does not like birds.
Well, I like birds, but not that much.
Of liking this bird. We don't know what species it is. You know.
You don't need to get it closer because I zoomed in.
Oh. Hey, Buddy. He was so furry. You're so furry, aren't you? He does not like Cheerios. At least for now, I think.
Wait, where are the Cheerios? So, zoom out. We had Cheerios. Let me find the Cheerios. Where are the Cheerios?
I don't know.
Well, the Cheerio box is out in the yard somewhere.
Yeah, he won't eat it. I put it on his beak and he won't even touch it. Well, he's touching his beak, but still. He's just not used to it.
Can you move the table closer so then it'll be a little easier?
Buddy. I can't because Buddy. Here. Cameraman. / woman. Ooh, that's beautiful. Sorry, I got my phone with it. Can you put down the camera real quick? Here. Hold on, I want him to look. Show that! He just hit right here on purpose. Here you go. His name is Buddy, so.
We named him Buddy.
Go, Buddy. Okay, so, Natalie, put down the camera. Put down the camera. I don't care. It's just your name. You're not on video. Alright, so here's the birdie. Go and move the table where you want it, because I can't. I got the bird. If I move the bird... Okay, slightly. Down. Down. Up. Not the whole way down. No. Birdie on the one. Yeah. I'm going to get you. It's on the camera. It's on the charger, so she can't really move it. Come on. No, I know you will like me. You're falling. Stop falling.
The cameraman will be right back.
No, just leave it on. I have it on. You got it? I don't have the kids in Cheerios. I got you. There's no way you can run now. Buddy. What was that? He went halfway across the yard. Toes. You're gonna be a magnificent bird when you grow up. Oh, and our house got sold and we have to sell our dogs. I want to keep you, but we can't. Because no pets are allowed. The new house. Come on, go into my hand.
And so the mother and father have came a few times, but
They're not really caring. You want to go see if you can find your mommy or daddy?
are you going to let him free?
No, but I'm just going to see if he wants to see his mommy or daddy. No, don't worry. I got to hold him so he won't jump. See if you can find him. Do they even care about you anymore? I guess so. Whoa, that's beautiful. You're beautiful. He likes back rubs.
Is there a closer charger?
No, there's not. Here, I can bring him closer. Just don't scream, okay? You might want to move that back, the black thing going in front.
Okay, just wait. Hold the bird.
Tell me when you're ready. I'm just moving the table over. There. Hi, I'm Buddy. I'm Buddy, and I will probably fly away in a second. Yep. Saying hi to the camera. Ah! How did you
Okay, move Buddy onto the... Oh, God.
I caught him!
If you guys saw that.
What?
Bring me those Cheerios.